Do you know how to use the power of your subconscious mind to acquire wealth? The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. Do you want more prosperity in your life? Do you believe it's possible to attract wealth using the power of your mind? What if I told you your current financial situation isn't determined solely by your job or salary, but by how you think and feel about money? In today's video, we're diving deep into Chapter 9 of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy, a true guide on how to reprogram your mind to naturally attract prosperity, abundance, and wealth. Get ready to discover why you might be unconsciously pushing money away, how to use your subconscious to transform your financial reality, and powerful techniques you can start applying today. Let's get into it. Wealth is a subconscious belief. According to Murphy, wealth begins in the mind, more specifically in your subconscious. If you constantly feel lack, fear not having enough, or carry negative thoughts about money, you're programming your subconscious to maintain financial struggle. But when you see yourself as abundant, believe you deserve wealth, and feel grateful for prosperity, you signal your subconscious that this is your truth, and it starts working to make it a reality. Wealth is a subconscious conviction. Joseph Murphy. Murphy is clear. Physical effort alone doesn't determine prosperity. Your internal beliefs do. You can work less and earn more if your mind is aligned with abundance. The trap of overworking. Have you ever heard sayings like, "Money only comes with hard work," or "You have to hustle to get rich"? Murphy debunks these beliefs. He says working too much without the right mindset leads only to exhaustion and disappointment. The real secret is to work with joy, confidence, and ease, and use your mind as your ally, not your enemy. He shares the example of a man in Los Angeles who earned hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, not because he was the most technically skilled, but because he had convinced his subconscious he deserved to be wealthy, unlike others who doubted themselves despite their qualifications. What blocks wealth? The main reason you don't have more money, Murphy explains, is that you criticize, fear, or envy wealth in others. Thoughts like, "Money is the root of all evil," "Rich people are greedy," "You can't be spiritual and rich," block your subconscious from allowing wealth to flow to you. You don't attract what you resent. You repel what you envy. If you believe money is bad, your subconscious will protect you from having it. Murphy even calls poverty a mental disease, one that must be healed through new thoughts and inner images, affirmations, and creative visualization. This chapter highlights one of the book's most powerful lessons. Your subconscious responds to repetition and emotion. Affirmations. Repeating phrases like, "Money flows to me freely, abundantly, and effortlessly. I am prosperous, financially blessed, and thriving," instills the idea of wealth into your subconscious. But here's the key. If you say, "I am rich but feel poor," your subconscious won't buy it. Instead, use simple words like wealth, abundance, or success, and speak them calmly, especially before bed, when your mind is more receptive. Visualization. Imagine yourself already living in prosperity. Picture your goals fulfilled. See the details. Feel the emotions. This repeated mental movie sends a powerful command to your subconscious to make that vision real. Practical techniques to attract wealth. Murphy gives us several practical techniques to use the subconscious for prosperity. Let's go over the most effective ones. 1. Repeat the word wealth. Before bed, repeat the word wealth slowly for about 5 minutes. Make it a nightly ritual. This simple habit has a deep effect. It plants the seed of abundance in your subconscious during its most impressionable state. 2. Stay consistent with your beliefs. Never say, "I am getting rich," if later you complain, "I cannot afford this." Mixed messages cancel results. Keep your inner dialogue aligned. Say what you believe, or what you're training yourself to believe, until it becomes reality. 3. Visualize with feeling. Don't just wish, feel. Picture your ideal outcome and allow yourself to feel the joy of already having it. That emotion is what activates the subconscious. 4. Business-specific affirmations. Say things like, "My business is expanding with ease. Sales increase every day. Success and prosperity are drawn to me." These commands tell your subconscious what to focus on and build toward. Hidden obstacles to prosperity. Murphy warns about some mental traps that block wealth: envy and jealousy. If you feel uneasy about someone else's success, you're radiating lack, and the subconscious keeps wealth away from you. Contradictory thinking. Saying, "I want to be rich," while thinking, "but it's so hard," sends conflicting instructions to your subconscious. You must believe it's possible and safe to be wealthy. Expecting without giving. You can't receive without giving. Murphy reminds us, you must contribute value, ideas, service, creativity, and the abundance will follow. Breaking down. Money myths. Many people struggle with money because of deep-rooted beliefs like money is evil, poverty is virtuous, being spiritual means being poor. Murphy calls these false conditionings and often misinterpreted religious teachings. Money is just a neutral symbol of value and exchange. The problem isn't money, it's how people use it. You can be both spiritual and wealthy. You can live with peace and abundance. One does not cancel the other. Money as part of a balanced life. Don't worship money, but don't reject it either. Murphy teaches that money is just one aspect of a fulfilled life. You're not here to struggle or barely survive. You're here to thrive, grow, and live with comfort, creativity, peace, and purpose. So when you affirm wealth, don't just want cash. Also desire health, peace of mind, loving relationships, a sense of contribution, and personal growth. When your desire for wealth is tied to a balanced, meaningful life, your subconscious brings abundance with interest. The final formula for attracting wealth. Murphy summarizes a powerful step-by-step formula for prosperity. Decide to become rich through mental alignment, not sacrifice. Eliminate negative beliefs and judgments about money. Impress wealth into your subconscious with repetition and imagination. Act with confidence, as if you're already prosperous. Celebrate others' success. Never envy it. Contribute value to the world and expect return. Never criticize money or those who have it. Sleep with thoughts of abundance. Use affirmations daily. Live in gratitude and joy, no matter your current situation. Your new relationship with wealth. Wealth is more than numbers in your bank account. It's a mindset, a frequency, a reflection of your deepest beliefs about worthiness, abundance, and purpose. By applying what Joseph Murphy teaches in this chapter, you become a conscious co-creator of your financial reality. You no longer chase money, you attract it. And suddenly, wealth isn't a struggle. It becomes your natural state. If this video gave you a mindset shift, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who deserves to live in abundance. Drop a comment below and tell us, what's your new affirmation of prosperity? What are you changing in your mindset to change your financial life? And if you want me to summarize the next chapter, your right to be rich, type bring. Chapter 10 in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, wealth begins in the mind. Nurture it daily.